Hi, my name is John Skiba and I'm an attorney in Arizona and I help people with their debt problems. In this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about the differences between Justice Court and Superior Court in the state of Arizona. Now, most of the clients that I help are being sued by one of the big debt buyers out there. Companies like Midland Funding, Portfolio Recovery, Cavalry SPV. 95% of the debt buyer cases in Arizona are typically filed in the justice courts. The reason being is that the justice courts in Arizona handle cases where the amount in controversy or the amount in dispute is less than $10,000. So if you're being sued for less than $10,000, it's likely that your case is being heard in the justice court. Some of the unique characteristics of the justice court are: first is that your case will be heard and decided by a justice of the peace. It's a little bit different than Superior Court in that the justice of the peace is not required to have a law degree. And in fact, in Arizona, most of the justices of the peace do not have a law degree. In fact, the only requirements to be a justice of the peace in Arizona: get elected, be 18, and that you read and write English. Arizona's justice court system also has a small claims division. These are for cases where the amount in dispute is for less than $2,500. There are no attorneys allowed in the small claims division of the justice court. If you've been sued by one of the debt buyers and the amount that you're being sued for is more than $10,000, your case is being heard in the Superior Court. And that's because the Superior Court handles cases where the amounts in dispute are more than $10,000. One of the big differences is that your case will be heard by a Superior Court judge who is required to have a law degree. Another one of the big differences, and one that's kind of unique to the state of Arizona, is that in Superior Court you're going to have to go through the compulsory arbitration process. If the amount in dispute is less than $50,000, you're going to be required to participate in compulsory arbitration. Compulsory arbitration is kind of like trial in a conference room. This is where they will appoint a third-party attorney who will act as the judge or the arbitrator in your case. Typically, the arbitration hearing is held at the arbitrator's office in a conference room. The parties are still required to prove their case. The plaintiff, the debt buyer, is going to have to come in and show their evidence, and you're going to have to put on any defense you may have. But in general, things are a little more relaxed than they would be at a Superior Court trial. One of the other big differences between Superior Court and Justice Court is the time it takes from when the lawsuit is initially filed till you actually get your trial. In the Justice Court, most cases are resolved in less than a year. In fact, most of them are resolved in about a 4 to 8 month period. In Superior Court, right now, in the year 2014, the average time from complaint being filed till you get a trial date is approximately 24 months. Most debt buyer cases, though, like the ones that we mentioned before with Midland Funding and Portfolio Recovery, those are typically heard in about a year, sometimes up to 18 months. Whether your case has been filed in the Justice Court or the Superior Court, if you have any questions, give me a call. I do this all day long. I'm happy to answer your questions and sit down and help you to put together a game plan in helping you move forward. Again, my name is John Skiba. I'm an attorney in Arizona and I help people with their debt problems. Thanks for watching.